Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Colonial Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gocolonial.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Colonial Bank. Now click on Mortgage Servicing from the homepage and then you can scroll down and click on Pay My Mortgage. Now from this page, once again you can scroll down to find the login to your account section. Click on the login button and now you will end up within the login portal. Just type in your username that you have set up while creating your account within the username box and then enter your password underneath within the password section. Then click on I agree to the user terms and privacy policy and then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your account with Colonial Mortgage right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will find the forgot username as well as the forgot password option underneath within the login portal. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Colonial Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.